Hello everyone, welcome to Mock Bank. Let us solve a problem from puzzle test series. Slowly we will keep increasing the difficulty level of problems. Let us read our statements over here. So the first statement says that five friends P, Q, R, S and T traveled to five different cities of Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad, and by a different mode of transportations: bus, train, aeroplane, car and boat. And the place that they are visiting from these places is Mumbai. So one thing that is very clear in this problem is there are three variables: friends, cities and mode of transportation. Let us see what else is given in the problem. Now it says that the person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. This information says that R went to Bangalore by car and Q went to Kolkata by aeroplane. The fourth statement says S traveled by boats, not by boats but boat, whereas T traveled by the train. Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. That means one cannot go by bus to cities of Delhi and Chennai. Now, the kind of problems that could be asked in this particular puzzle test problem is: which of the following combinations of person and mode of transportation is not correct? You will be given five options and you will be required to solve the problem. Another type of problem that could come is: which of the following combinations is true for S? So you need to find out the mode of transportation for S and the city that he or she is traveling. Third is: which of the following combinations of place and mode of transportation is not correct? Who among the following traveled to Delhi? And the person who traveled to Delhi went by which mode of transportation? And you will be provided with five options in these problems. But the only thing is, you need to decipher the whole lot of meaning. Once it is done, anything could be answered in a matter of fraction of seconds. Now let us try to write our information systematically the way we learned in the previous video. Now these are the problems, or these are the statements in fact that are given to us, and I would like to write my information in this way. So these are friends P, Q, R, S and T. They are traveling to five different places: Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. I have not written the whole lot of thing. Slowly you should also be realizing that writing a lot will certainly be wasting your time. Now there are five different mode of transportations: bus, train, aeroplane and then boat, and what is that we have got? Car. Now let us write the information. The person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. As of now I cannot write anything with this particular statement. So let us go ahead on the third statement, where it says that R went by Bangalore by car. This is the person R. He went to Bengaluru and that too by car. Now we have learned that if R is traveling to Bangalore, he should not be visiting to rest of the cities, and if Bangalore is visited by R, others will not be visiting. Similarly, If R is traveling with car, he cannot travel with other mode of transportations, and so forth and so on. What is the idea? The moment you get one cell to be right clicked, the corresponding rows and columns should be written in this way. Now, another piece of information is Q went to Kolkata by airplane. So Q is going to Kolkata. So Kolkata cannot be visited by anyone else. And Q is going to Kolkata by aeroplane. So can you see that aeroplane cannot be mode of transportation for others, and Q cannot be visited by other mode of transportations but aeroplane. S travelled by boat, whereas T travelled by train. S is travelling by boat. So let S travel by boat, and T is travelling by train. So T is travelling by train. So can you see that for bus, all the mode of transportations are cancelled, hence only P is left over here. So for sure P is going to travel by bus. Now, the person who travelled to Delhi did not travel by boat. Who is the person who is travelling to Delhi? We don't know as of now, but he did not travel by boat. And the person who travelled by boat is S. So for sure S is not going to visit Delhi. S is not going to visit Delhi. Not this one, not this one. S is not going to travel Delhi. Now Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. So who is the person who is travelling by bus? P is travelling by bus, right? So P for sure cannot go to Delhi or Chennai. So P for sure is going to Hyderabad. And if P is going to Hyderabad, Hyderabad cannot be visited by anyone else. Now can you see for D, all for Delhi, P cannot go, Q cannot go, R cannot go, S cannot go. So for sure T is going to Delhi. So if T is going to Delhi, do we have the clarity? Now, it was my mistake. Now this is going to be the right click. Now you have the whole lot of information with you. P is travelling by bus and is going to Hyderabad. Q is travelling by aeroplane and is going to Kolkata. R is going to Bombay, not Bangalore, and the transportation mode is car. S is going to Chennai and the mode of transportation is boat, and for T is going to Delhi and the mode of transportation is train. And then all the problems are solved, isn't it? And you did not write the information in a redundant way. You do not write as if you do not know as to what are you going to do with the information. Here it is so systematic, you know as to what is going to happen next. You just have to read your passage very carefully, and that's it. I hope you have understood this. I'll see in some other video where we're going to solve some more problems on puzzle test. Till then, bye bye and take care.